Ding, ding, ding.
What up? That is not water. That's Jello.
Oh, wait, sorry.
I'll put it back in.
Okay, here we go.
A big burrito? That is not my water. That's not my water.
Just have it to eat.
No, I want water. I don't want a
Okay,
big burrito.
get it.
I'll put it back in.
Welcome to Super Baby Colors.
There's the vending machine. The soda vending machine. That is the water, soda, and hot water. I have a card here. Let me try it. It'll take card.
It don't accept card.
Whoa! It don't accept card?
Yeah, look.
Oh, okay.
You need cash.
Need cash, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, are you the robot for the vending machine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I have cash right here.
Okay.
There you go. I'll put it right here.
Which one you want? Push here.
I want soda.
Soda. Okay.
What? That is not a soda. That is a banana.
Okay, bring it back.
I don't want a banana. I want soda.
It's good for you.
It's good for me. I want soda. Here, you can have the banana back.
Push on it one more time.
Soda. Push on it. Okay, I push on it one more time.
Push on it.
Oh, one more time? 2 times? Okay. Whoa, what? This is a Gatorade.
It helps you run faster.
I don't want a Gatorade. I want a soda. Coca-Cola. You know what Coca-Cola? That's a Gatorade. Here we go. I'll get back to you.
Here we go. You're real.
Alright, I got my Coca-Cola. Yeah. Thank you. And I'm gonna buy one more water for my son.
Water.
Okay, I got $1 here.
Okay, which one you want?
I want water. Let me push the water. There we go.
Water coming up.
What? That is not water.
It's orange. It's good for you. It makes you run more faster.
I don't want an orange. My son wants water, robot.
I want you.
Here.
Okay.
Here we go.
Thank you. Okay. Push on it 2 times.
2 times? 1, 2.
Okay. Here it is. Ding, 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 ding.
What? That's not water. That's honey.
It makes you go more faster.
It makes you go more faster? That's actually good, but no. Can I have water, please?
Okay.
That is not water.
Water coming up.
Alright, water. I got water for my son. Yeah. Okay, I got Coca-Cola and water. Perfect. You're a cool machine. You have high five? Oh wow, that's awesome.
Okay.
Whoa! You turned into a human.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah, it was so cool.
Yeah, it looked like a TV screen. Look at that. What? How you get a hand out of the TV screen? That's you? What? Wow. Oh, that is cool. Okay, I got my water and soda, so I'm happy. Okay?
Okay.
Give me a high five again. Can I handshake? How about that? There you go. Good job. Okay, thank you. Let's get my water and soda. Bye bye. Machine. All right. I want water. Put my money in. Huh? It's not taking my money. Oh, maybe it's not flat. Let me do it flat. Okay, do it again. Again? It's not going in. Here you go. Here you go. There we go. All right.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
I am the vending machine.
You are the vending machine? Do I push a button to get my soda?
Yeah, push button any here.
Oh, let me get, I want water.
Water here?
Yep. How your hand getting out of here? I thought you were electronic. How your hand get out of here? I'll push water.
Water, okay. Ding, ding, ding.
What up? That is not water. That's Jello.
Oh, wait, sorry.
I'll put it back in.
Okay, here we go.
A big burrito? That is not my water. That's not my water.
Just have it to eat.
No, I want water. I don't want a
Okay,
big burrito.
get it.
I'll put it back in.
Okay, let me find it. Water. Here we go.
Oh, right. My water. Yeah. Oh. Wow. What up?
Gatorade.
I didn't buy Gatorade.
Yeah, you did.
What is this? Yeah, I'll put it back in. Let's see.
No, just have it.
No. I had to buy it. Okay, here. I got $1 here. Hang on. I got $1 here. I'm gonna ask my son. Water or Gatorade?
Gatorade.
Gatorade? Okay. I'll put it right here. Put $1 in.
It's stuck.
It's stuck again? Okay, I'm gonna get you Gatorade, okay? Okay, I'm pushing the button. Well, so... Oh, I didn't push any button yet. I didn't push any button yet.
I didn't do anything. It just came out random.
Oh, let's put it back in. I won't push button.
And
I'm gonna push... This must be it. There we go.
that one?
Hey, how you get out here?
And use the Gatorade.
All right, Gatorade. I got Gatorade. This is a cool machine. Cool machine. I like this.
Yeah, my head's...
Whoa, what? Your head came out of the soda machine? What happened to your soda box? It's falling apart. What happened to your soda box? It's falling apart. What happened? What happened to soda box? It's falling apart.
No. I guess I have to fix it.
What? Yeah, let me see. Yeah. Okay, lift it up.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. There we go. I fixed your soda machine box.
Soda machine.
Okay, I got my Gatorade for my boy, and I got
one more.
water. Oh, one more water.
Ding, 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 ding.
What is this? Oh, a thumb. There you go. That was cool. You awesome. That was cool. How did you get your hand on here? I thought you were a computer. Look at this. Look at this. I thought you were a computer.
My hands always sticks out.
What? That is cool. Soda machine. Wow.
Whoa. What is out here?
How did you get out of the screen? You're supposed to be in the screen.
I am in. Look at my hands. I can't get out.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
My head can.
What? How did your head get out?
Oh no.
What? That is. You know what? I'm gonna trade. Let's see, my water for hot water. You know, hot water. Yeah. Trade for hot water, please.
Okay. Hot water. Here's hot water.
Hot water. Who took my? Huh? Who took all my hot water? Did you drink my hot water?
No.
I think you drank my hot
No,
water.
no. I can't drink.
Yeah, you drank my hot water.
No.
Yeah, it was you.
What about this? Ding,
Oh,
ding,
okay, I'll have that water back. Okay, thank you. All right, awesome. My son will love it.
Yeah.
What is this? Okay.
Oh no, my vending machine again.
Again? Oh, there go my water. There go my water. Okay, bye-bye, vending machine. Bye-bye. Okay, son. I got your Gatorade.
Where? I see you.
Hey, you can shoot me again? Why you shoot me?
Pew, pew.
Here you go, Super B. I got your water. I mean your Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Yeah, I got my hot water, but I think the machine drank my water. That machine talk. You see that?
Wait, no, I didn't. Oh yeah.
You talk. You saw that?
Did he went out the window?
Yeah, he's like hand came out the window and everything. It's like the future, like future vending machine. You ever seen that? You never seen that kind of stuff before, huh? No, huh?